Okay, here's the video on how to use the coffee machine. First of all, grab a pod from the pantry. They are in these, the red ones are decafs and the black ones are full caffeine. The sugar's there. Got your pod over to the coffee machine. Make sure that it's turned on, which you do by pushing this button here. You've got to wait for a few seconds for the light over here to be a constant light rather than a flickering light. Then once that light's constant, flick this up, put the capsule in, close it down, put your cup under there. The cups are just in there, and flick that switch on. You've got to stay with it because it doesn't turn off automatically. Press that to turn it off. If you see the water's low, you just fill it up by pulling this out. Fill it up and shove it back in again. If you can't get the capsules in, it might be that there are too many capsules, old capsules in there, in which case there's a little handle kind of thing here. Just pull that and the whole thing comes out, and that comes out. Oh, it'd be good if I was actually filming this. Okay, that comes out as well, and that goes in the bin. Hold on. The empty container goes back in there, and you can just shove it in again, and off you go. You just turn it off at the end. There.